Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn throat letters in the Holy Quran. How many throat letters in the Holy Quran we will learn in this lesson. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you how many throat letters are there in the Holy Quran and how do we pronounce these throat letters in the Holy Quran or in an Arabic accent. How many throat letters are there in the Holy Quran? There are 6 throat letters in the Holy Quran, and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, and Kha. Let's learn how do we pronounce each letter and where we pronounce from our mouth and from our throat these letters one by one. These 2 throat letters, these are Hamza, 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 Ha, Hamza, Ha, Hamza, Ha. These throat letters pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. These throat letters pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain and Ha, Ain and Ha, Ain and Ha. These both throat letters we pronounce from the middle part of the throat. These both throat letters pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ghain and Kha, Ghain and Kha, Ghain and Kha. These throat letters pronounced from the top part of the throat. These throat letters pronounced from the top part of the throat. These are the 6 throat letters in the Holy Quran. And how do we pronounce these throat letters in the Holy Quran? Thanks for watching. Kindly like and share this video. I daily upload a video. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.